Right guys, it's the dreaded shed head. Head in the shed. Struggling with the rubbish. Now, we have an issue, as they say. The other day, as you're probably aware, I welded up my wall pump. And obviously when I welded up the wall pump, I had a drink or two. Now, when I have a drink or two, that's when things go wrong. As everybody knows. You tend to make sort of mistakes. Now, I haven't made any mistakes as such. What I did was I missed things. And I've tested it today, and it needs a little bit of welding. So I'm going to have to try and do it. Now, I'm not, as I said before, I'm not happy with some of these things. So I can only do what I can do. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and get some sort of better welds on it, if possible. Now, whether that's possible, I don't know. Whether I'm capable of doing any better welds, I don't know. We'll turn some power out my poor old mate's battery cable coming up from the garage, the house. It's only a 30 amp supply, which it needs to really be heavier. Maybe one day, in my spare time, I might do it. Now I've not, as I said before, I've got a welder or any of these things, and I can't see which is in from. So I'm guessing this. I'm going to do it as best I can with what I've got available. Everything pretty much as we see it. So let's see. Let's see what we can do. Are we ready? It's looking like where that looked like that had a hole. We might have filled it in. We think there was another one somewhere over here somewhere. Okay. Another hole there. Maybe one here. And then something possibly. Yeah. Let's see how we go. I don't know guys, I don't know. Alright. Down there maybe. Whoa. Just to show you what isn't possible with your big welder. I suppose if I heat it up first, it might have been better. But I didn't. So I don't know guys. I'm going to start. Getting all depressed about it, isn't it? I feel like that sort of maybe what's a bit more like. Well, look, I'll just take you over and just show you what I've done. Right, that's my sort of homemade water pump there. Obviously, penetration wise, yes. Would it be any good? Well, I've done it on about 3 or 4 of the cars, so let the heat sink out of that first, and then I will spray some carb cleaner into there and let it sort of sit and see whether I get any leaks. If it's going to leak, it'll leak with the carb cleaner. If it hasn't, while I'm doing that, I found a float, because there was a float missing. Found a float, found that, as we know. These obviously are hideously corroded, as you can see. Look at the state of that. Got plenty of them, so it's not the issue. And like I say, I've got to try and catch up on what I was doing the other night, which was, I think we worked out the camera covers are going to have to stay. We worked out that the water pipe, yeah, that's it. 15mm tube for the water pipe. Haven't got one. Need to find that. So, stay there, guys. I'll let you know whether it was a success or not. Bye for now.